you to know that I'm happy for you, and I wish nothing but the best for you both. It was a